Hello everyone. Good morning. I hope everybody's enjoying their Monday. Happy Monday. Guys, it's a brand new week and I'm back. I just left the boom. Guys, that's the post office. I just left the post office and this was in the mail. Money in the mail. So, for those that don't know, I've been promoting a postcard program opportunity. It is a work from home opportunity where you get paid from your efforts when you send out your postcards and you promote your opportunity offline or online, because you can do both. I'm just making sure everybody can see me. I've been in this opportunity now for 2 months, 2.5 months. And it's going really good. It's going really good. And I just wanted to show you guys I got a payment today. I'm just leaving the post office this morning. I hope everybody's enjoying their day. Hey Nikki, thanks for tuning in. Guys, let me know where you're tuning in from. What state are you tuning in from? If you are watching this later on in the day, if you can hashtag replay for me, I would greatly appreciate it. It is extremely cold outside. Yes, I have on my scarf because I am freezing. It is like 20 degrees out here in New York. So I'm trying to stay warm, guys. So guys, yeah, let me know where you're tuning in from. If you're watching this later on the day, hashtag replay for me. I'm going to go ahead and open this up and just congratulate those who actually decided to get started with this opportunity. Now, even though I've only been in for a little bit over 2 months, this opportunity has been going on for quite some time, over a year. So this is not a brand new opportunity. Hey Daria, good morning. But it is making a lot of noise and a lot of people are promoting it live on online, and a lot of people are sending in their postcards promoting it offline. So I just want to say congratulations. Oh, first let me show you guys the payment. Let me show you guys the payment because I know you guys want to see the payment. Here is the payment I received today, $1,585. Yes, made out to me, $1,585. I'm so excited about this opportunity. I want to just say congratulations to Georgette. We have Benjamin, Brian, Mary, Jerry, Tabitha, Deborah, Victoria, Jerome, Joyce, Teresa, and Jessica. So I want to say congratulations to you guys for actually getting started. And not only that, if you are looking for a home-based business opportunity, you're looking for a way to make some additional income, even if you're looking to replace your income, this is a great way to do so. I've been doing postcard mailing now since 2016, off and on. Hey Steven, thank you so much. And I'm so excited about what's to come for this year. We are in our peak season where a lot of people are looking for home-based business opportunities. They're looking for something to do on their free time, or they're looking to have an additional income. This is something that you definitely want to take a look at. If you want more information, in the comment section below, just say please inbox me or send me a DM and I'll send you the link. If you're watching this on YouTube, it'll be right in the description below. So yes, this is a postcard program opportunity. We do get payments in the mail. Sometimes they come twice a week. Sometimes I get more than one envelope depending on how the week is going, but it's been extremely consistent ever since I got started, which is the main thing. You want to be in an opportunity that is consistent. That's really important, because if you're only getting paid a little bit here and there, it's not enough to really call it a part-time income, right? We want something that is consistently paying out, something that works, something that's duplicatable that people can use to start earning with. So with this opportunity, I found that, and I would love for people to actually participate and get their feet wet. These are one-time payments in order to get started. You are going to get your postcards in the mail, your leads in the mail. You're going to be able to order additional postcards. What I'm going to do for just this week only, if you join at the $300 level or higher, I will send you additional postcards in the mail, and I will also send you stamps to get started. So that's only for this week. If you participate and come in at the $300 level or higher, you will be able to get additional postcards and also stamps in the mail coming directly from me. Hey Shanae, good morning. Hey Tanya, good morning. Guys, let me know where you're tuning in from. Let me know where you're tuning in from. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for coming out, watching this live video about this opportunity that I'm in. I greatly appreciate those who always support me. Hey Shahid, and those who are willing to do better for themselves financially, or actually just having more time freedom, you know, being able to do something where you control your time and it's not you punching a clock and having someone else control your time. So that's what it's all about with 2022, is about being able to do things that you love. There's a lot of money to be made, a lot of money on the internet. There's a lot of money that's actually, people every day are leaving their jobs working for themselves, okay? You can be one of those people. It's not one of those things that's far-fetched or you can't do it, or definitely not like that. It's something that you can, it's tangible, it's doable, and there's so many people that's just taking that leap of faith and they're making it happen. So if you are one of those people and you want to know more about what I'm doing and you want to start your own business, you want to have something that's bringing in a consistent income, you definitely need to get started. So I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Hi Yolanda, thanks so much for tuning in. Guys, let me know where you're tuning in from. So thank you guys so much. Good morning, Miss Daly. Good morning. Yes, this is exciting, guys. It's exciting when you go to the mailbox and you have something in the mail. It keeps you motivated, okay? Definitely keeps you motivated. So, guys, hey, Lori, good morning, sweetheart. Hey, guys, everybody's up early today. Guys, let me know where you're tuning in from. It's early today, early. I got up, guys, I got up at 5 o'clock. I already went to the gym this morning. I'm actually just leaving the gym. I got my gym clothes on. And I said, you know what? Hey, Jenna. Good morning, sis. So I said, you know what? Let me go to this mailbox because it might be something in there before I go to the house. The post office opens up early. I think like 6 o'clock in the morning, the post office is open, which I love. So I do have a P.O. box. I paid for the year. It wasn't expensive at all. And I come here like twice a week and just pick up my mail and then go on back to the house and start my day. So yes, thank you so much, Jenna. Yes, the 5 a.m. club. Yes, get up, get out and get it done. I already done been to the supermarket so I can prepare my dinner. I'm at the gym already, picked up some cash. It doesn't get better than that, right? Time freedom, guys. That's what it's all about. Time freedom. For me, time freedom. So yes, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. I want you guys to enjoy your day. Stay inspired. Stay blessed. And I'll talk to you guys another day. I love you guys. Bye.